I am making a coconut cake. To start off, we're gonna grease our pan. Then I've got a box of white cake mix here. Make your cake according to the instructions on the back of your cake mix here. Walmart sent me nothing but a bunch of cracked eggs, so I am attempting to, okay, this is not going very well. Here's how you separate egg whites. Just go back and forth until the egg white releases from the yolk. Got my 1 1/4 cups of water and my 1/2 cup of oil. We're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven and let it bake for 35 minutes. So we're gonna let this cool and then we'll put on our topping. Okay, so I made this cake wrong. I wasn't supposed to let it cool, but I did. But what I'm gonna do is just do it anyway. So you want to pierce it with a fork. Now I kind of pour most of it in the middle because it's gonna run down the sides. Now I bring it up over the sides when I mess up like this so it'll soak down a little bit more into each piece so it's not just on the sides. Then we take our whipped cream or whipped topping. I'm just using whipped topping, but you can use whipped cream if you want. I'm going to pineapple it. Then you can add pineapple too if you want underneath the whipped cream, but I'm not doing pineapple this time, just coconut. There we go. Now we're gonna store this in the refrigerator until it is time to serve. Okay, so here is my coconut cake.